How to change Telegram group into channel. I'm going to tell you how to change Telegram group into channel. First, make sure that you are a group admin and the group that you are trying to convert has at least 100 members. Now go ahead and tap the plus icon. This will allow you to either create a new group, a new secret chat, or a new channel. So you have to select create a new channel and then set it up. You may also want to copy the profile picture from the original group. Set it up public or private. Manually copy important posts from the group into the new channel. Now copy and send an invite link to every member on your group. And that's how easy you can convert your group into a new channel.